This is a very quick and easy recipe with just a few ingredients, starting with about 6 medium-sized carrots that I've washed, and I'm going to peel them, all of them. And once I've peeled them, I'm going to just cut off the ends. So once my carrots are peeled and cleaned, I'm just going to take each carrot and just kind of roll it and cut it into chunkier pieces. There's no need to be exact with the shape or the size. It doesn't need to be the same size or shape. We're just going to cut them into random pieces like these. And I'm going to steam them. I have a steamer and I'm just putting everything in the steamer. But if you don't have a steamer, you can just bring water to a boil in a large pan. And once the water is boiling, you can dunk all the carrots in and cover the pan and let it boil in the pan for a few minutes. So here in my steamer, I have the water in the bottom part, which is just kind of rolling oil, and I'm going to put my carrots on top and cover it for a few minutes, about 5 to 10 minutes, or until the carrots are tender. And while my carrots are steaming, I've taken 2 medium-sized lemon, and I've washed these, and I'm just gonna take the zest out. While you're zesting it, don't take out the white part. It's kind of bitter, so just try to zest it until the white part is just barely visible. Next, I'm going to take out just a few sprigs of dill. We just need this for kind of like garnishing, almost like coriander or parsley, so we don't need a whole bunch. And I'm just taking out the tender parts from the larger stem. We don't want the larger stems. So here I have these tender parts of the dill, which I'm going to chop into very fine pieces. So here I've finally chopped my dill, and next let's check on our carrots. And after about 5 minutes, it's we don't want the carrots to be overcooked or too mushy. We just want it tender enough that a knife goes in easily. So here it looks like there's a little bit, it's almost there, almost a little bit of a way to go. So I'm just going to cover this, turn off the heat, and remove my steamer from the heat. So here, after about 5 minutes in just letting it steam in the hot water, the carrots, if I insert a knife, it goes in without much effort, and so this is perfect. If you like it to be a little bit crunchier, you can just leave it a little bit crunchier, take it out immediately. And next, I'm going to let it cool for a little bit and just add about half a tablespoon of olive oil, but you can add less if you prefer less oil. And next, I'm going to add just about a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, followed by our lemon zest, which came to be about half a tablespoon, and then our finely chopped dill, which was about a tablespoon. So we're just going to add everything in. And then lastly, we're going to add salt to taste. And all that's left to do now is to just give it a good mix so that all the carrots are covered with the oil and the dill and the lemon zest and the salt and pepper. And actually, I forgot to add my lemon, so I'm adding here the juice of about half a lemon. And if you liked it to be a little bit tangier, feel free to add more. And we're just going to give this a final mix. And this is really it. And this is a very easy recipe. Makes for a great, fresh, healthy side dish. And I hope you'll give this recipe a try. If you like this recipe, do give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And as always, say a little prayer, share the love, and I'll see you in the next video.